Hello, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are good. I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I'm here. This is a new place. Can you guess where I am? Just I'm on the roof. Okay, this place is new for me actually. It's a money comes. It's close to shower. Okay, just you need 20 taka to come here from shower. But uh, actually I'm here to for a purpose. I'm here to learn freelancing with my friend. He's also interested to do freelancing. That's why we are together to learn freelancing. Okay, so this place is very amazing. Actually, it's closed to Dhalashir River. I think you know about Dhalashir River, right? So the Dhalashir River situated beside this area. Actually, it is over there. It's not too long. It's a little river. Okay, I was to overcome this river to come here from shower. Okay, so as you can see, there are a lot of houses and trees around to me. Okay, this is a nice, but right now I am alone. No one is with me. Okay, so my brother, actually it's not my brother, he's my friend. He's sleeping right now. That's why right now I got few time to make video. Actually few minutes ago I took my breakfast. After then I thought I should make video because today I have a class, and today I will have to do work on YouTube. That's why I'm making video so that I can do work with this video. Okay, over there is a factory. Actually I don't know what is the name of this factory, and there is some interesting place, and I visited this place yesterday. Okay, I'm new here, that's why I don't interest to go outside to make video because I feel shame. Okay, so today I learned something about English. Actually every day I learned something in English so that I can improve my speaking. You know that I also want to speak English like you. So please brother pray for me so that I can be a fluent speaker like you, or native speaker. So okay, that's all brother. Inshallah, now we'll meet another time. See you later. Thank you so much for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum.